welcome to Careerforce. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Joel and I am an apprenticeship advisor supporting learners like you in their learning journey. Think of today as your starter pack for success. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, who's got your back, and how to smash out your qualification without feeling lost. But first, let's begin with a karakia to ground ourselves. Hono mai kia ita, hono mai kia mo. Hono mai ki te kotahitanga, te manakitanga, me te kaitiakitanga kia tau. Tuturu whakamaua kia teina, teina. Homie, huie, tai kie. At Careerforce, our 3 values guide everything we do. Kotahitanga, connecting people. Kaitiakitanga, upholding relationships. And manakitanga, honoring others and ourselves. These values are the heart of Careerforce, and it's important for us that you feel supported on your learning journey. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll look at who we are, how you'll learn on the job, the tools and supports you'll have, and who's in your corner. We'll also talk about what's expected of you. Don't worry, nothing scary, and how to avoid some common pitfalls, like using AI to write your assessment. Careerforce supports workplace training, helping people like you achieve nationally recognized qualifications. You're not just signing up for random training, you're joining a network of learners across Aotearoa who are growing, upskilling, and making a difference in their workplaces and communities.
Careerforce has been supporting industry training for over 30 years, supporting tens of thousands of learners into nationally recognised and often life-changing qualifications. We work with over 2,000 employers across Aotearoa to support their workforce development across the following sectors: aged care, disability support, cleaning, healthcare, home and community support, mental health and addiction support, social services, urban pest management, and youth work. Work-based learning is very different to classroom-based learning and is for people who are already in employment, looking to keep their knowledge and skills up to date and advance their careers. For employers, this is a great way to upskill staff and ensure they are delivering quality outcomes for some of our most vulnerable people and communities. For employees, industry training is about recognising the experience they already have and building on that with new learning. We support enrolled learners to achieve nationally recognised qualifications while fully on the job, where they can apply their new skills straight away. We work alongside employers to set up and run efficient and effective training programmes with the support of a Careerforce workplace advisor. Learners will be fully supported throughout their training journey and will be assigned observers and assessors. Observers know the correct standard of performance expected. They are people working alongside learners who are able to capture and attest to their skills and competencies. Assessors carry out the formal marking process and provide mentoring. They can be workplace assessors, contracted assessors, or Careerforce assessors. Employers provide the training environment and Careerforce provide learning and assessment resources. Depending on your organisation's preferences, these can be either paper-based or online. So, let us help you get started. Let's work together to deliver quality service and improved outcomes for all New Zealanders.
Now that you've seen who we are, it's important to remember you are not doing this alone. We work together with you and your employer to help you succeed. Your employer provides the learning environment, and we provide the tools, resources, and support. Think of it as a 3-legged race: your workplace, Careerforce, and you. We're all strapped in this together. We'll now look at what work-based learning is. Work-based learning is simple. You learn on the job while earning. You'll be doing a qualification that recognizes the skills and experience you've gained in your mahi. Here's how it works. 10% of learning happens in training days, inductions, or workshops. 20% comes from reading policies, procedures, and workplace documents. But 70%, that's the real learning. Hands-on work, assisting with patient care, writing notes, buddy training, handover meetings. All those meaningful daily tasks count. So yes, even when you thought, am I really learning anything by doing this again? The answer is yes. Every shift and every handover are part of your qualification. Your everyday work is actually your classroom. Pretty cool, right? If this is your first time studying with Careerforce, you'll get a welcome pack with a notebook, a pen, and a letter. You'll also receive a welcome email with enrollment details for either ākatoi or iPortal, plus a training plan showing your program and unit standards. If you don't see this within a month, reach out to us on this number. And don't forget to check your junk mail folder first. You'll either submit assessments online via ākatoi or using iPortal if you're doing paper-based learning. We've got handy videos to show you how both platforms work. ākatoi is online, iPortal is paper-based. Easy as. Careerforce offers you plenty of tools and support to help you with your learning. Progress emails and newsletters to keep you on track. Additionally, on our website, you will find a range of support options. Just go to careerforce.org.nz. If you are new to learning or have come back to learning after a while, check out our Learning to Learn resource with tips on studying and writing, avoiding plagiarism, and how to answer assessment questions in your own words. Your original words. When working on your assessment, you must make sure you are using your own words. This section shows you how to avoid plagiarism or copying from other learners or resources. If you need additional literacy supports, such as help with reading, writing, and numeracy, check out Pathways Awarua. If you like engaging face-to-face and need some support from our Careerforce team, have a look at our Achieve Study Hubs. You can see our schedule across the country and sign up for the ones that you prefer. If you are enrolled in our 4 dementia units, we have a dedicated team that run facilitated online workshops. These are free 1-hour sessions that are available to you on a Tuesday and Thursday morning or evening. You just click on the link on our website to attend. If life gets tough, we have confidential and free wellbeing supports for our learners. As well as this, we have supports for our Māori ākonga, where our dedicated team run noho marae and wānanga mahi and are offered kanohi ki te kanohi. And finally, Pacific Learner Support, a Pacific team that truly understands Pacific learners' needs and demands. We run talanoa study sessions face-to-face and online whono so that Pacific learners can connect with other Pacific learners. You can see our talanoa schedule to register here. What is expected of you? It takes a village to complete a qualification. Your observer, assessor, manager, and of course you. They're your pit crew, making sure you cross the finish line. To ensure you have a great learning experience, it is important that you go back to work and find out the following. Who is responsible for Careerforce training at work? They will be your support person. Who is your observer? They are responsible for supporting you with the practical parts of your assessment. Who is your assessor? This is the person who will provide you with the understanding and expectations of the assessment. These people are your learning allies that will help you get through your qualification. Get to know them. When can I start? Short answer, right now. Start straight away. Submit one task at a time, wait for your assessor's feedback, then move on. If you wait more than 10 working days for an assessment to be marked, give us a call. Aim for at least one assessment a month to stay on track. Don't forget, use your own words and give authentic workplace examples. No AI, no copy-paste. Let's talk about academic misconduct and how to avoid it. Do not use AI software like ChatGPT or Copilot to write your answers for you. This is not allowed. Here's the deal with AI. Great for learning concepts, terrible at living your life. So yes, use it to study, but when it comes to your assessment, it must be your voice, your stories, your mahi. Your observer needs to see you in action and sign off your practical skills. If you struggle with assessments, literacy, or dyslexia, talk to your manager, assessor, or our team. We're here to help. If you do not submit an assessment within 3 months, we'll send you reminders. If nothing is submitted after that, you could be put on hold or withdrawn. We don't want that to happen. Start small. Aim for your first submission within a week or 2. Remember, this isn't like that gym membership you never use. Make it count. You've watched this video. That's a great first step. When you complete your training, you'll receive your official NZQA certificate. Congratulations! Make sure you celebrate your achievement. Frame it, hang it up, post it on the fridge, show it off. You've earned it. Your certificate will be sent to your employer and shouldn't take longer than a month. Next step, commit to starting your assessment this week. All the resources you need are on our website, and our Good to Go sessions run every month if you need a refresher. Ngā mihi, thank you for joining us today, and we wish you all the best in your learning journey. Remember, every big achievement starts with a simple step, or in this case, a single assessment. You've got this, and we're here with you all the way. Let's close with karakia. Kua aio I te aroha atu I te tahi ki te tahi. Kua tau, kua ea, homie, huie, tai ki e.